Myself Amandeep of class 10th going to present a short demonstrative video on a topic power sharing. So first we will move to the introduction of power sharing. So what is power sharing? Why power sharing is emerged? The idea of power sharing is emerged due to the notion of undivided political power. For a long time, it was said that the power of the government must reside in one person or a group of persons at one place. But after then, it was felt that the power should be exploded to the different people. Okay? And then we will go to why power sharing is necessary. So, the power sharing is necessary because of two reasons. With this regard, I have two reasons. The first is prudential reason, the other is moral reason. In prudential reason, the power sharing helps to reduce the possibilities of conflicts between the social groups. For example, in India, the power sharing is divided into various organs of the government, such we call as horizontal distribution of power. So, with this regard, then after that we will come to the moral reason. So, power sharing in India, the power sharing is important for moral reason because it is the very spirit of democracy. Why we known as the very spirit of democracy? Because in India, people can criticize and oppose any policy of the government. At last, we will move to the different forms of power sharing. The first form is horizontal distribution of power. Horizontal distribution of power means what? We have read in class 9, class 8 that what is horizontal distribution of power. In this, the power is being shared among different organs of the government, such as a judiciary, executive and legislature. We will study the different forms of power sharing. So what are the different forms of power sharing? We have read in class 9, class 8, class 7. So the first form of power sharing is horizontal distribution of power. In this section of power, the power is being shared into different organs of the government, such as judiciary, executive and legislature. In this separation, none of the organ can exercise unlimited power and each organ checks the other. Such as judiciary checks the executive checks the legislature and legislature checks the judiciary. Thus, this horizontal distribution of power is also known as the system of checks and balances. So, this provides an equal share of power in various constituents and institutions. After that, we will move to the vertical division of power. So, vertical division of power means the power is being shared among different levels of the government, such as government level in the upper part, state level in the middle part and municipal in the lower part. Then we will move to the social groups and ideologies. So, social groups and ideologies means power is being shared among different ideologies, groups such as from businessmen to the post from farmers, the government will provide equal share of power to them. The fourth part of forms of power sharing is mental pressure groups. So what is mental pressure groups? Those people who are Dalits, deafs, the blinds, the government will provide equal share of power to them also. So in this regard, I am Amandeep. Conclude that I have taught you the different introduction of power sharing, why power sharing is necessary and the different forms of power sharing. With this conclude, thank you.